Okay, good morning to all. See today here matrix method problem. Okay, determine matrix method. See solve the following system of equations by matrix method. Okay. In public exam, 1% compulsory in this method. Okay, matrix method. 1% compulsory question. Okay, 1%. See first here, these are the given equations here. Okay. So here solve the following system of equations by matrix method. Okay. Right. See first here in the solution here. So in the solution, the given system of equations can be written as okay, given equations, given system of equations, given system of equations, given system of equations can be written as ax is equal to d. Okay, the given system of equations can be written as ax is equal to d. So where a is equal to here coefficient matrix. In this coefficient matrix and coefficients here first row 1 minus 1 here 1 first row. Next one second row coefficients here 2, next one is 1, next one is minus 3. Okay, third row here 1 coefficients here 1 1. This is the coefficient matrix. Next here x is equal to here matrix of unknowns. Here matrix of unknowns are x, y, z. Matrix of unknowns are here x, here y, z, x, y, z. Matrix of unknowns. Next one d is equal to constant matrix. Here in this constant matrix here, here in this constant here 4. Next one 0, here 2. This is the constant matrix. Okay. All problems are first step same. Right, next we calculate delta of P. See now delta of P is equal to here now delta of P is equal to that value. Okay, take first row. First row operation here 1 into here AD minus BC. AD value is 1 minus into minus plus 4. Next minus of minus 1 plus 1 into next delete this one to this column. AD minus BC. AD value is 2. Here minus into minus plus 3. Next one plus 1 into. So delete this one to this column.
1 plus 3. 3 also 3.
Here AD minus BC. Okay, 1 into 3 is 3. Okay. Now see here. Next here 1 into here AD minus BC. AD value is 2. Here minus 1. Okay, one more time. See here in the delta value. Delta of A is equal to here 1 into here AD minus BC. AD value is 1 minus plus 3. Minus 1 minus plus 1 into here AD minus BC. AD value is 2. Here minus plus 3 plus 1 into AD minus BC 2 minus 1. So that is equal to this total value here. That is equal to here 4. Next one value plus 5. Next one value plus 1. That is equal to here 10. This is not equal to 0. Okay, delta not equal to 0. So here next we calculate cofactor matrix of E. So here cofactor matrix of E is equal to here cofactor matrix of E. Cofactor matrix of E is equal to see this cofactor matrix here first row. Okay, first element cofactor of 1 is delete this one to this column. Next AD minus BC. AD value is 1. Okay, AD value 1. AD minus BC minus plus 3 1 plus 3. Okay, next here minus of this element cofactor. Okay, delete this one to this column. Next AD minus BC. AD value is 2 minus plus 3. Next element is plus here. Okay, this element cofactor. Delete this one to this column. Next AD minus BC. So that is 2 minus here 1. Next is second row cofactors. Okay, second row. So this is plus, next minus. Okay, minus. So this element cofactor. Delete this one to this column. Next one AD minus BC. AD value is minus 1 minus 1. Okay, next one this element is plus here. This element cofactor. Delete this one to this column. Next AD minus BC. AD is 1 minus 1. Okay, 1 minus 1. Next this element is minus. This element cofactor. Delete this one to this column. Next one AD minus BC. So that is 1 minus 1 plus 1. Okay. Next one this row cofactors. This element cofactor delete this one to this column. Next one AD minus BC. AD value is 1 minus 3 minus 1. Okay. So that is 3 minus 1 plus next one is minus of this element cofactor. delete this one to this column. Next one AD minus BC. AD value minus 3, minus 2. So that is minus 3, here minus 2. Okay, minus 3, minus 2. Here minus 3, minus 2. Next this element is plus here. So this element perfect. Delete this one, this column. Next AD minus BC. 1 plus 2. Okay, 1 plus 2. Alright. See here that is equal to. So in this perfect matrix here, that is 4. Next one value here minus 5. Next one value 1. So second row minus and minus plus 2. Next one 0. Next one value is minus 2. Next one here 2. Minus and minus plus 5. Next one value is 3. Okay, 3. This is 3. This is the perfect matrix of it. Next write addition of E. Addition of E is equal to. So here addition of E is equal to transpose of the perfect matrix. Transpose. Interchange rows into columns. Okay, transpose. So that is 4, 2, 2. First row. Okay, first row. Next one second row. Here minus 5, 0. Next one value 5. Next third row. Here 1. Here minus 2. Here 3. This is the addition of E. Okay. Next adjoint of A. Next we calculate A inverse. Okay, A inverse. A inverse. Stop this. Okay. Next we calculate A inverse. See this A inverse is equal to here A inverse is equal to here 1 by delta of A. 1 by delta into here adjoint of A. A inverse is equal to 1 by delta into adjoint of A. So here 1 by delta value 10 here. So that is 1 by 10. 1 by 10 into. So here adjoint of A, write here adjoint of the matrix. So in this adjoint of the matrix is 4, 2, 2. First row, second row, minus 5, here 0, here 5. Third row, 1, minus 2, here 1, minus 2, here 3. Okay, third row. This is the A inverse. Okay, A inverse. Next here solution is, see here in the solution here. In this solution is A inverse is equal to, A inverse is, in the solution is x is equal to A inverse into D. This is the solution. Okay. In the solution x is equal to A inverse into D. So here x value matrix of unknowns. In this unknowns are x, y, here z. X is equal to A inverse. A inverse matrix this matrix 1 by 10 into. So in this matrix is there 4, here 2, 2, minus 5, 0, 5. Next one 1, minus 2. Here that is 3. So here into here in D is constant matrix. So in this constant matrix here 4 0. Here 4 0 2. Okay, 4 0 2. Next here multiply these two matrices here, that is equal to here 1 by 10. 1 by 10 into. So here first row only column. Okay, 4 into 4 is 16. 2 into 0 0. Next 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, first element. Next one second element. Second row this column. So minus 4 into 5 minus 20. Next here 0. Next one 5 into 3 is 10. Next one third row 1 into 4 is 4. Minus 2 into 0 is 0. 3 into 2 is here 6. Okay. So that is equal to here 1 by 10. 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 into. So in this total value 20. Here minus 10. Next one value 10. So divided by 10 here. So that is equal to here 2 minus 1 1. 2 minus 1 1. Okay. So compare these two here. So therefore x is equal to here 2, y is equal to here minus 1, z is equal to here 1. This is the solution. Okay. Okay. So here this second question. So it's solve the following system of equations by matrix method. Okay, matrix method. So here first these are the given equations here. So first is where given system of equations can be written as Ax is equal to T. So first here where A is equal to, where A is your quotient matrix here, quotients here. So in the first row quotients are 2, minus 3, here 5. Second row quotients here 3, here 2, minus 4. Third row quotients here 1, 1, minus 2. Okay, quotient matrix. Next x is equal to matrix of unknowns. Unknowns are x, y, z. Next D is equal to constant matrix. In this constants are here. So here 11. Next one is minus 5. Next one is minus 3. Okay, constant matrix. So next data of A. Here data of A is equal to data value. So that is 2 into. So first row operation. Okay, 2 into AD minus BC. AD value is minus 4. AD minus BC BC, minus into minus plus 4. Here minus into minus plus 3 into here AD minus BC, AD value is minus 6. Minus into minus plus 4. Next value plus 5 into here AD minus BC, so that is 3 minus 2. Okay, 3 minus 2. So that is equal to here this will get cancelled as 0. Okay, 0. Next value here minus 23. Minus 23 is minus 6. Next value 1. 1 into 5 is 5. Okay, so that is equal to here minus 1. This is not equal to 0. Okay, this is not equal to 0. That is. So next we will calculate cofactor matrix of the second step. Okay, cofactor matrix of A. So cofactor matrix of A is equal to here first row this element cofactor, delete this one to this column. Next one AD minus this AD value. Here AD value is minus 4. Minus and minus plus 4 here. Okay. Next this element cofactor, delete this one to this column. So next element is minus of. Okay. This element cofactor, delete this one to this column. Next one AD minus BC. So that is minus 6
plus 4.
minus 6 plus 4. Next this element cofactor. Okay. Delete this one to this column. Next AD minus BC. So that is 3 minus 2. Okay, 3 minus 2. So first element plus minus plus. Next second row minus plus minus. So minus on second row. Delete this one to this column. AD minus BC. AD value is 6 minus 5. Okay, 6 minus 5. Next this element is plus here. Okay, delete this one to this column. Next AD minus BC. AD value is minus 4. Here minus 5. Okay, minus 4. Minus 5. Next this element is minus of. So delete this one to this column. Next one AD minus this AD value is 2 minus minus plus 3. Here 2 plus 3. Next third row. So here this is plus here. So here delete this one to this column. Next AD minus this AD value is equal to minus 10. Okay, 12 minus 10. Next this element is minus of. Okay, delete this one to this column. Next one AD minus this AD value is minus 8 minus 15. Okay, minus 8 minus 15. Next this element is plus. Okay, delete this one to this column. AD minus this AD value is 4 minus minus plus 9. Okay, 4 plus 9. Okay. Alright. So here cofactor matrix of A is equal to, so this value is 0. Next here minus minus plus 2. Here this element is 1. Next here second here minus 1. Next here this value is minus 9. Next here this value is minus 5. So next here value here 2. Next here is minus plus 23. Next here value is here 13. Okay, 13. This is the cofactor matrix of A. Second step. Next to adjoint of A, third step. Adjoint of A is equal to transpose of the cofactor matrix. Okay, transpose. It is rows to column. First row 0. Here minus 1, 2. Okay, second row here 2 minus 9. Here 23. Next third row 1 minus 5. Here 13. Okay, minus 5, 13. This is the adjoint of A. Okay, this is the second step. Okay, first step data of A. Second step cofactor matrix of A. Next adjoint of A. 3 steps. Okay, fourth step here A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 by delta into adjoint of A. Fourth step. Okay, A inverse is equal to 1 by delta into adjoint of A. 1 by delta value. Delta value is minus 1. Okay, minus 1 into adjoint of A. Adjoint of the matrix is minus. Here is 0. Here minus 1. Here 2. Okay, next one second row. Here 2. Here minus 9. Next one value 23. Next one third row. Here 1. Here minus 5. Next one value here 13. Okay, this is the A inverse. Fourth step. Fifth step here. Solution is x is equal to A inverse into D. Okay, solution is x is equal to A inverse into D. Fifth step. Okay, so here the A inverse. A inverse is, see this is the A inverse. Okay, A inverse. So here that is A inverse is equal to multiply minus also 0. Here 1. Okay, next one value minus 2. Multiply minus here. Okay, next one here minus 2. Here 9 minus 23. Next one value minus 1. 5 minus 13 into D. Here D matrix. If this D matrix is here 11, here minus 5, next one value minus 3. Okay, minus 3. Alright, see that is equal to here multiply. So in the first row this column. Okay, so that is 0 into 11 is 0. Next 1 into 5 is minus 5. Next 2 into 3 is 6 here. Okay, next one 2 into 11 is minus 22. Next one value 9 into 5. 9 into 5 is minus 45. Next 23 equal to 2. So in the segments are here, first one 1, next one here 2, next one is 3. Okay, 2, 3. So therefore x is equal to, therefore x is equal to 1. Here y is equal to 2. Here z is equal to, here 3. Okay, z is equal to 3. Okay.